Hello, I welcome you to this advanced Facebook advertising masterclass. And I thank you for patronizing me. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can access this course. If you have bought this course, you are going to be enrolled through the admin dashboard. And that means you will not be able to log in if the admin does not give you access. You can see these are the lessons, but you will not be able to have access to it until you are given access. And even after you are given access, if you are not logged in, you will not be able to access it. So make sure you always keep this URL in a safe place. This is the URL that you are going to be using to access this course. Whether you are logged in, this is the URL that you use. Make sure you copy this URL and save it in a secure place. Each time you want to log in, copy the URL from wherever you copy it to and paste it in your browser. Then if you want to log in, you will click on this icon. Then you are going to type your username and your password. That is the same username and password that you use in my free version of Facebook and Instagram advertising masterclass. Is the same one you will use here. That is if you sign up for that one. And if you did not sign up for that one, I automatically sign you up for that one, and which means you have access to advanced Facebook advertisement masterclass. You also have access to the free version. You have access to both of them, and it is the same login detail that you use to access both of them. So once you are logged in, for instance, and I type my password and I log in. Okay, so now that I've logged in, you can see that I now have access to it. I have access to all the courses. I can now view them and watch the video. So that is it. And in case you have not subscribed to my free version, I have a video that shows you on how to subscribe for the free version, and you will see. Make sure you watch the video. I am going to add the video to the bottom of this particular video so that you'll be able to know how to subscribe to the free version, because there are some information that are in the free version that you'll be able to use here. If you have not understand those ones, then you will not be able to understand these ones. So it is very, very important for you to watch all those videos and go through all the lessons so that you'll be able to understand every bit of whatever I taught them. I cannot repeat them here again because the information are the same. The only ones that are here are the ones that are a little bit advanced, more than what you get in the free version. It will be my utmost joy for you to be successful in your business because you bought this course. And in as much as I am happy for you to be successful, I will want you to also do me a little favor. If this course has helped you, then I want you to do me a favor by giving me a video testimonial. And you can make a video with your phone. Just let the video show your face so that it will encourage me to give you more information. Then it will also encourage other people to get this course, because some people are looking up to you. The first set of people that get this course, some people are looking up to you. How has this course helped you? They want to see how it has helped you first before they can get this course. I would be very grateful if you can give me that video review so that other people will be able to discover this course and enjoy every bit of it. Then another last information I would like to give you is that once in a while I give you updates, because things, especially about advertisement, it changes from time to time. Facebook updates their website and a lot of things changes from time to time. So once in a while I'll be sending you messages into your email address. So make sure you drag my message from promotion folder to your primary folder. That is if you are using Gmail, and make sure you add my email as your contact so that you'll be able to receive every information that I send across to you through your mail. Because if you drag any message from a promotion folder to a primary folder, you are telling Google that I don't want the message from this person to enter promotion folder, rather I want it in my primary folder. And from that moment, any message that particular person sent to you, you will now receive it in your primary folder. So that is how important it is, so that you not miss the update that I'll be sending to you. Alright, thank you for getting this course, and I wish that you be successful in this course. Thank you for enrolling into this course and wish you the best. Bye.